Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Meander here and meander there, meander everywhere, here and there, Haikou everywhere. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
Okay, so hello.
Hello.
So we're gonna film all the way down this street, but we're also gonna capture some of this temple right in here. So let me just kind of do a quick browse. But the main focus is actually gonna be the street, and then the temple is the base of the street. And I was just looking over there, and it goes back like 500 years, 1500s. So stay tuned. Another slice of Haikou for you. Okay, up on the map, there you go. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Up on the map, there you go. Some lyrics, we fed that into AI. There it is right there as well. And let's just get right into it. Walk and talk time. So that's gonna be our focus in these narrow streets of Haikou. Real quick before we get started down our street, I was kind of looking at this right here, and it looks like this temple dates back to maybe 1447, but I see 1469, 1475, 1489, 1509, 1512. So there's references to that time period. And then the temple is over here, but I'm not going to film the temple. I'm going to film the street. Actually, I don't feel 100% comfortable filming the temples because we shouldn't film the you know, the main religious person. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna go straight down this alley. I think this is called Dashengsha. I will see. Check out those. Okay, so we're gonna come on out in a moment. All these little alleys everywhere. But we're gonna be walking down that busy one. So this one, so right outside the temple is a ton of different foods. So there's some kind of spicy, looks like some fruits, vegetables, some fried stuff over there, more fried stuff here, fish. Kind of spicy noodles. Okay. Lots of different meat, chicken feet, clams, crabs. So we're just gonna walk all the way down. sometimes China is quite amazing because there's just so much depth to the different food choices and different things. So this is going to be the street name. This is actually Dongshan down this street. And then we're going to show you the name of this street here in a moment. So right here it says Dashengsha. So we're going to keep on walking down that way. And I believe that that's the name of the... Let's go down this way. I believe that's the name of the street, or it's telling us that Dashengsha Street is down that way. It could be either way. Check out that apartment up there. Fresh produce market. Fish small seafood sauce. Fresh orange juice right there. I have got fresh orange juice in these alleys, and it's in China in general, and it's amazing. It's a good price as well. Okay, so let me just kind of see. So I think maybe this one is going to be keep going up this way, or Dashengsha could be any one of these. There's actually a whole community up there, so they're going up the steps to those apartments. So the temple is straight down that way. More alleys in different directions. We could actually go any way we want, but I think what we're going to do is go down this little alley and just follow down to this way right through here. And I think they're watching. Hello. So we're going to follow their direction and go down. So I think that's going to go all the way down to the main street, all the way down. Some restaurants. Yeah, it's actually a Monday evening, by the way. So we're going to keep on going down because I think we're going to be going towards So I don't know if this is called Dashengsha or if it's going to take us to Dashengsha. So either way, I kind of want to take it and see where it goes. Huh, clothing shop there. And then now we're kind of getting to all these signs in here. And it looks like these are signs of the street. The guy's really spitting a lot right there. So I think this is all Dashengsha. The guy in blue is like really busy there. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way down to the end, and then I'm gonna see if this is actually Dashengsha. Is the street that's the main street? Because sometimes the alleys will point to the main street just so we have our bearings. Okay, so it looks like Temple of Xiqian, and I think this street actually might have a different name. Temple of Great Lady Xi'an. There's a guy up there. So they're working up there. It's kind of funny. So. Yeah, they're like just, so that's how they usually do it. They climb up the bamboo and then they're at work, but I'm surprised if they drop a tool or something like that, that could really be damaging. Okay, so anyways, that was this little side street. There's no harness climbing up the bamboo. Okay. I think those are more bamboo right there too. Okay, so this is actually into these little arcade area, and I think that this is called the I think this is the one that's anyways, we're gonna end this one right here, then we're gonna try to find this Temple of Lady Xi'an. And our little alley was this kind of cool looking one right in here. Oh, there's a clock tower right here that goes back to, we just did a different video of that particular one. So anyways,
can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.